Have you ever noticed how some arrangements just seem to blend so well? This is why. One of the reasons is the leaves will be in the same color family, the same shade. So like this is a very light leaf, so I'm going to use my filler in a lighter one. Now I could go with a bright green or a dull green, and that's a different look, but I really like this. And then this is a frosted looking leaf that will go with this too. It's a soft green look. And I usually let whatever my main flower is, let that be the guide. So this is a lighter leaf, so I'm going to use light leaves. You don't have to, but it does give it a really nice flowing look. Sometimes when you buy fake flowers, some people call them silk flowers. I don't think they're all silk anymore, but in the less expensive ones, you'll find they'll be frayed on the end, or if you've had them a while and moved them around in a box. But what you can do is take your trimming scissors that you use for sewing and just trim them up a bit, the ones that you're going to use for your arrangement. And this really tidies the whole stem up. Now some people, maybe they don't care about that, but I do. I like them to look nice. And also, when you're doing arrangement, I've noticed a lot of times, I've done it myself, there's a back side of the less expensive ones. Try to keep the back side away from the front of your arrangement, or if you're doing videos from the front of the camera, you might have to bend it or, you know, move them around. But they look a lot better. Well, this is the basket I'm going to use. I love this little basket. Okay, now I'll need some styrofoam. So I got a piece that fits. And so that's how I want it to fit with this type of, right? But it's going to show a little bit, possibly. I don't know, it might. So what I'm going to do is put a little Spanish moss around the edge. I'm going to glue some Spanish moss. I'll do is space my flowers out, and I'll use like 3 or 4 or 5, I don't know. Probably with this, maybe 3 is all I will need, I think. So I will put one in the middle. I don't know how high I want it, so I think that's a little high, little tall. So I'll put one in the middle. Or close to the middle, and then one on each side. I love these, they look real. And I'm going to bring it over just a little to make the arrangement look a little larger. And also, a lot of times the leaves are at the bottom and you can push them up, you know, so you get more use out of them. They're not hidden in the bottom or cutting them off. So I don't want it exactly even, so I'm going to bring that one forward a little bit. And so far, I love this. Okay.